Hello, good morning, students. In the last periods, we have just seen the history of the mobile phones or historical perspectives of the mobile phones. The advantages, what is the first G, what is the G stands for what, and then we are just some introductory part of the 2G. Again, we will just shortly, briefly revise that one. So, the first G phone there start from the 1980 to 1990, and the second generation they just start from the 1991 to 2000. 1991 पासून सुरुवात झाली सेकंड जनरेशन 2G फोनचे ते 2000पर्यंत होते. आणि याच्यामध्ये आता फर्स्ट जी फोनमध्ये काय होतं की वी कॅन ओनली हॅव द वी कॅन ओनली टॉक टू अनदर पर्सन, वी कॅन कम्युनिकेट टू अदर पर्सन्स थ्रू आवर व्हॉइस ओनली. We can send the only voice messages or we can communicate through the voice only. But in this 2G we can have the more advantage that it will allow the text message service. That means we can send the text messages to the another person. म्हणजे फर्स्ट जी फोनमध्ये की आपल्याला फक्त आवाजाचा फक्त आपण देवाणघेवाण करू शकतो. वी कॅन कम्युनिकेट विथ द पर्सन अदर पर्सन विथ आवर व्हॉइस. वी कॅन कम्युनिकेट विथ द अदर पर्सन विथ आवर voice. But in this 2G phones we can use we can able to send the text messages or using the text message service. So we can able to send the text message, we can type the text message and send to the person which we want to send him, and the signal which are using that must be strong, or it may be weak signal. Now we can have the in that phones why it is better than 1G. So in the 1G we have the very poor battery pickup. Here the battery pickup will be much better than the first G phones. Then the size of that phones will be something smaller than the first G phones. म्हणजे जी साईज जी होती फर्स्ट जी फोनची ती जर आपण बघितलं तर ती खूप बल्की होती. इट वॉज मच बल्की अँड हेवी फोन्स वॉज देअर. But in case of 2G, we are just as shown in the figure, we have some phones like this. So this now Nokia phone 5190 like this and all that. So they are somewhat smaller and compact phones. So so in this for 2G system, we are using the 2G cellular technology with the GPRS. Then emails we have just find out and we are write the emails to the person. Then the web browsing will be there. We are using the camera phones. This is one more facility they have given. That means we can use the phones camera was attached with the phones, so to get the snaps and send to the persons. So these are much better than the first G. म्हणजे या फोनमध्ये आपण जी हे वापरायचो टेक्नॉलॉजी ती म्हणजे 2G सेल्युलर टेक्नॉलॉजी विथ द GPRS. देन त्या फर्स्ट जी फोनमध्ये आपल्याला ईमेलची सुविधा नव्हती. वी डोंट हॅव एन ईमेल फॅसिलिटी देअर. सो इन दिस वी आर युजिंग द ईमेल फॅसिलिटी. वेब ब्राउसिंग म्हणजे आपण नेटवरती जाऊन त्याची कुठल्याही आपल्याला ज्या ठराविक वेबसाईटला आपल्याला भेट द्यायची दॅट वी कॅन ब्राउज दॅट युजिंग दिस फोन्स. अँड द कॅमेरा फोन्स आर देअर. सो या फोनमध्ये असं होतं की त्याला कॅमेरा अटॅच असल्यामुळे आपण एखादी वस्तूचे फोटो काढून ते आपण सेंड करू शकतो. फोटो काढून आपण ठेवू शकतो त्याला. सो इन दिस वे इज वॉट मच बेटर दॅन द फर्स्ट जी इन दिस ॲस्पेक्ट्स. पण याच्यामध्ये आपण टेक्स्ट मेसेजसुद्धा पाठवू शकतो. इन दिस 2G फोन्स वी हॅव द फॅसिलिटी ऑफ सेंडिंग द टेक्स्ट मेसेजेस. पण इन फर्स्ट जी फोन आपल्याला ही सुविधा नव्हती. फर्स्ट जी फोन जे बघितले आपण त्यामध्ये इट विल नॉट अलाउड द टेक्स्ट मेसेज सर्व्हिस. Now after that the third generation phones that we have used. So actually the period for the third generation was near about from the year 2000 to 2010. त्याच्यामध्ये फ्रिक्वेन्सी जी होती ती नियर अबाउट 1.2 GHz फ्रिक्वेन्सी रेंज जी होती. सो दॅट विल बी नियर अबाउट 1.6 to 2 GHz. आणि बँडविड्थ जी होती 100 MHz ची बँडविड्थ आहे. आणि इट वॉज यूज द डिजिटल ब्रॉडबँड अँड इन्क्रीज स्पीड. दीज आर मेन कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ दिस 3G टेक्नॉलॉजी. याच्यामध्ये ज्या टेक्नॉलॉजी वापरली होते CDMA, UMTS अँड if we see about the capacity of data rate in case of 1G and 2G, in the 1G phones we have only 2 kilobytes per second. In the 2G we have 64 kilobytes per second. But in the 3G we have the capacity of data rate that will be near about 144 kilobytes per second to 2 megabytes per second. म्हणजे जी कॅपॅसिटी जी होती 3G फोनची ती खूप वाढलेली होती म्हणजे फॉर सेंडिंग द डाटा रेट. Now, as we have seen, the advantages of the 2G phone over the 1G. Same will be, we have to see the advantages of 3G phone over 2G. The period starts from it. Actually, we are using this phone 3G from 2000 to 2010 in that period. Now, याला दुसरं नाव जे होतं याला also one name is given, that is smartphones. These phones are also known as the smartphones in the market. म्हणजे दुसरं नाव याला दिलं होतं, याला स्मार्टफोन्स म्हणायचे. These phones are also called as the smartphones. So in this we have the facility of video calls. आता सुरुवातीला initially we can have the only 1G and 2G we can able to speak with the other person using our voice. म्हणजे फक्त आपण एक दुसऱ्या पर्सनबरोबर फक्त आपण आपल्या आवाजामध्ये बोलू शकत होतो. we can have the only audio calls. But in this 3G we can have the facility of video calls. That means we can just sitting in the any place we can able to have the facility of talking to another person with using the video calls. Actually we can see that person which is talking to us, and that person will be we will watch to us while we are talking with them. म्हणजे व्हिडिओ कॉलचा फायदा होतो की आपण एखाद्या व्यक्तीला आपल्याबरोबर बोलताना बघू शकत होतो आणि ती व्यक्तीसुद्धा आपल्याला बघू शकत होती. सो दिस नावर द व्हिडिओ कॉल्सची जी म्हणजे खूप मोठी सुविधा आपल्याला उपलब्ध करून दिली होती using the 3G phones. Then what is the speed of communication is very fast. म्हणजे सुरुवातीला 1G मध्ये एक तर काय होतं की बॅड व्हॉइस होता, नंतर आवाज बरोबर येतो. 2G मध्ये सुद्धा आवाजाचा डिस्टर्बन्स राहायचा. बट इन दिस the communication is very fast and very clear. That means we can communicate to the person within a second. If we just dial that number, if we can reach the person within 10 seconds. Then this will have the mobile TV facility. याच्यामध्ये मोबाईल टीव्हीचं सुद्धा आपल्याला सुविधा उपलब्ध करून दिलेली होती in the 3G phones. But all considering all these facts, if we go for the cost of that phones, the 3G phones are rather expensive because they are using the video calls. They have the facility of video calls. Then they can have the mobile TV. Then the capacity will be much greater than the 1G and 2G, and the communication speed is very high. So if we have to consume all these facilities, the cost will be much greater than the expected ones. ह्या जर सगळ्या सुविधा आपल्याला जर पाहिजे असतील तर त्याची आपल्याला किंमत सुद्धा we have to pay for that. So therefore the 3G phones are rather expensive phones. याची किंमत खूप जास्त होती. याच्यामध्ये जे ॲडव्हान्टेजेस होते किंवा जे फायदे होते ते सुद्धा ॲज कम्पेअर टू 1G and 2G दे आर मच ग्रेटर. दोन्हीपेक्षा याचे फायदे भरपूर होते. सो taking into consideration that fact, the cost of that phones will be much more. So the 3G phones are rather expensive as compared to the 1G and 2G. म्हणजे 1G and 2G just स्वस्त नव्हते. They are also expensive, bulky, heavy phones. They have some limitations. But as compared to 1G and 2G, the 3G phones have the more facilities. So they are called as the smartphones. So they have the facility of video calls. Then the speed of the communication will be very fast. They have mobile TV facility. So and the bandwidth is much greater than the 1G and 2G, that is 100 megahertz. So हे जर आपण फॅक्टर जे बघितले म्हणजे व्हिडिओ कॉलची सुविधा, कम्युनिकेशन फास्ट असणे किंवा मोबाईल टीव्हीचा वापर होणे, तर त्याची आपल्याला वी हॅव टू पे फॉर दॅट, आणि त्यामुळे याची किंमत वाढली होती. सो देअरफॉर द 3G phones are the rather expensive phones. So these are about the 3G third generation phones. Now if we come to the next generation, that is the 4G, already now recently we are using. So that period for the fourth generation starts from the near about 2010 to today, from the 2020. Now the 5G phones are also available in the market, but the 4G recently all of these we are using the 4G phone, the fourth generation phone. The period for that fourth generation will be 2010 ते समजा सध्यापासून चालू आहे 2020 पर्यंत. आता याची फ्रिक्वेन्सी रेंज जी वापरली होती आपण, so in the 3G we are using the 1.6 to 2 gigahertz, but here we are just starting from the 2 gigahertz to up to 8 gigahertz. म्हणजे 3G जे फोन जेव्हा वापरायचो 3G जनरेशन, थर्ड जनरेशन, त्याची लास्ट लिमिट की होती फ्रिक्वेन्सी रेंज विल बी 2 gigahertz, but here the frequency range starts from the 2 gigahertz to 8 gigahertz, and the bandwidth will be same near about 100 megahertz. आता याचे मेन कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स काय होते की इट इज हॅविंग हाय स्पीड अँड ऑल IP will be there. So technology which is using is the LTE technology and Wi-Fi. The capacity data rate will be much more. In case of 3G phones, the capacity data rate will be, it starts from the 144 kilobytes per second to 2 megabytes per second. But here it starts from the 100 megabytes to 1 gigabytes. जी कॅपॅसिटी होती ती खूप प्रचंड प्रमाणामध्ये वाढली होती. कॅपॅसिटी ऑफ 4G phones is much greater than the 1G, 2G and 3G. So it starts from near about 100 megabytes per second to 1 gigabytes per second. Now why it is better than the 3G phones? That will be important. So here are some features of this 4G phones. That is, it has the mobile multimedia. That means until now we have studied that in the first G phone we can only have the talking facility. That means first G phone मध्ये फक्त आपण एकमेकाला बोलू शकत होतो. In the first G phone we can have the able to talk with the person which is at a longer distance without any cable connection. म्हणजे फर्स्ट G फोनमध्ये आपण कुठल्याही पर्सनला बोलू शकत होतो किती लांब जरी असला तरी, आणि विदाउट एनी केबल कनेक्शन. But here and we cannot have in the 4G phone we don't have any facility of the taking the pictures or listening the audio song or video song. But here in the 4G phone they have provided the mobile multimedia. That means we can just download any song, then we can observe it, we can see that song, we can with the audio song, then we can have the download any picture, we can have, download any movie, and we just see that movie on their mobile phones. And also one of the greater advantage is that at any time and anywhere we can use this multimedia. हा जो मल्टीमीडिया होतो तो गाणे ऐकणे किंवा पिक्चर बघणे किंवा we can able to see the live match also, cricket match or football match. So it don't have any time binding capacity or time binding or any location binding. Any time or anywhere you can use this mobile multimedia. So one more feature is that it has the global mobile support. Then it is also have the integrated wireless solutions and customized personal service. Now हे जे features आहेत, magic features. Now in case of battery, म्हणजे फर्स्ट G फोनमध्ये बघितलं की आपण बॅटरीचं जे होतं इट इज व्हेरी पुअर बॅटरी बॅकअप. इन द 2G फोन ऑल्सो व्हेरी पुअर बॅटरी बॅकअप. 3G फोनमध्ये तरी खूप चांगलं होतं, पण 4Gमध्ये बॅटरीचे बॅकअप खूप वाढले होते. कॅपॅसिटीसुद्धा बॅटरीची वाढलेली होती आणि बॅकअपसुद्धा वाढलेला होता. पुन्हा दे आर दिस फोन आर प्रोव्हाइडेड द हाय सिक्युरिटी. म्हणजे इफ द एनी व्हायरस or any whatever the phones we are using, if the problem is there in the setting or in the communication, so that will be just prohibited by using the their software they are providing. That manufacturer company will itself provide with any software, so it will just save our all data what we are sending to somebody else, or save all our files with their high security. जो काही आपला डाटा राहत होता किंवा आपण जे प्रायव्हसी होती किंवा जे आपण पर्सन टू पर्सन आपले जे मेसेजेस होते, सो त्याला कुठल्याही जागेचं बंधन नव्हतं आणि प्लेससुद्धा, आणि तसंच इट विल प्रोव्हाइड विथ द हाय सिक्युरिटी. दॅट मीन्स दे कॅन नॉट बी गेट डॅमेज. जो आपला डाटा विच हॅज स्टोर्ड इन दॅट मेमरी सेक्शन, so it cannot get damaged with any type of viruses. So it has the high security and the bigger battery uses will be there. So this is the main features and advantages of the 4G phones. याची जी मेन दुसरं एक ॲडव्हान्टेज होती की जी इट हॅज हॅवी हाय स्पीड कम्युनिकेशन. म्हणजे जी कॅपॅसिटी म्हणजे स्पीडची जी कॅपॅसिटी होती टू कम्युनिकेट टू अदर पर्सन, दॅट स्पीड वॉज व्हेरी हाय. In case of 4G and 2G phones, the speed was very low. If we have to talk the mobile dial to the another person, so it takes some time to that person will be in contact with us. म्हणजे एखाद्या पर्सनला जर आपण कॉन्टॅक्ट केला आणि जर आपण डायल केलं तर त्याला कॉन्टॅक्ट व्हायला, संपर्क व्हायला वेळ लावत होता. पण इट इज इन दिस फोन्स इट इज हॅव्हिंग व्हेरी हाय स्पीड. So in case of 3G and 4G, they have the fast communication, or the speed will be very high. So this is all about the 4G phones. So this is the, then we can just see the what is the advantages of, here the photograph is shown what is the 3G and 4G. So that is the photograph we are shown. We can make the changes in the photos also. In the 3G phone we have this photo, but in the 4G we can make it some other changes in that photo also. So this is the one of the facility they have provided. So in this case 4G phones are much preferred by the peoples as compared to 1G and 2G. Okay, so in the next period we start with the another one, that will be 5G. Thank you.